to start geometrical constructions. Geometrical constructions. In Marathi, it is called as Bhaumitik Sanrachna. So, frequently, which constructions are required? That only we are going to learn today. Okay. So, which are those? We start with the first. Prior to that, I will just tell you how the geometrical instruments, whatever you have used during your matriculation, during your SSC, HSC, same compass box carrying divider, Indian simple compass, scale, protractor, both the small set squares, and 2 H graded pencils, 1 white eraser. This much is the required arms and artillery for the battle of these geometrical constructions or for the battle of engineering graphics. Okay, so initially this point you should take care of. So first geometrical construction we are going to start. Just note down. First one is to draw a perpendicular to a given line through both of its extreme ends or dead ends, we can say. Okay, so for that, suppose line AB is the given line to us, and from both of its extreme ends A and B, it is asked to construct perpendicular line. So what is the procedure that we will see? Okay, for that I will read this first. So this AB is the given line. Just now I have told you this is the AB line of AD length. So what is required? What is the expected solution? To draw perpendicular lines both of its extremes. So what is the procedure? Just pick the compass. This is my compass. Okay. Now what do you have to do? Pick any convenient radius in compass and just see in this way. Okay. So the steel tip or needle of the compass you should first of all put over A, and in this way you should take one long arc, construct a long arc in this way of any convenient radius. Now don't change the radius. With the same radius, get 2 consecutive arcs in this way on the earlier drawn arc in this way. Okay, what I have done? Of any radius, first of all, I have drawn one long arc. After that, with the same radius, without changing the distance between both the tips, I have taken 2 consecutive arcs in this way. Okay, now you are free to change the distance between both the extremities for the legs. Okay, now with any radius, but constant radius, you have to take 2 consecutive arcs from these two. Okay, in this way. First of all, from this arc I have taken one arc. Another with the same radius, from this I have taken intersecting arc. Now the intersecting point, this, suppose this is P point. Now when we will join this P with A in this way, it will yield us the desired solution of perpendicularity effect. Means now this AP line is perpendicular to AB. You can check by protractor also. You will get exactly 90-degree angle here. Now repeat the same procedure and get perpendicular line through P. What is the question? Now I am going to change its radius. Take any radius, any convenient radius. First arc with the same radius without disturbing 2 consecutive arcs in this way. Suppose this is C, this is D, these 2 points. Now we can change the radius, or you can retain the same and get 2 intersecting arcs in this way. First of all, from C with the same radius from D in this way. Now this intersecting point, so this is Q. Now this Q, when you join with B, it will be line QB, and it is perpendicular to the given line AB. This is the desired solution as per our construction. Okay, so this is the first construction of perpendicular lines. Means to draw perpendicular lines to a given line AB through both of its extremities. Okay, the second we'll see. First one. Second, to draw perpendicular to a given line to a point which is on the line itself. Means suppose any line, suppose this is MN line, and any point suppose this is O, it is on that line. Okay, somewhere at the midpoint we can see. Now what is the procedure to get perpendicular line to this given line, that we see. Okay, so this O point is on the line itself, which is given line MN. Through this O, it is asked to construct perpendicular line to this given line MN. What is the procedure? Yes. Now pick any curved radius, okay, in compass, and from O, now what you have to do? From O, with the same radius, get two arcs on either sides of this O on the same line. So suppose this point is A, this point is B. Both are equidistant points from O. Okay, now what I have to do? O is here. Now you have to pick the distance in compass in such a way that it should be somewhat longer than half of this segment A. Half of this segment A. Means what? It should be longer than AO. In this way, this much I have taken. From A now, what I have to do? First of all, to A, draw one longer with the same radius without changing the distance. Through B, get one intersecting arc in this way. Okay. Now this point, just you have to connect with O, and its further extension. It will yield us the desired solution of line perpendicular, which is drawn to the point O, which is lying on the line itself, given line itself. Okay, so this is the procedure for construction of a perpendicular line to a point on the given line. Okay, so second. Third one. To draw a perpendicular to a given line. This is also frequently required, this construction. To draw a perpendicular to a given line to a point which is in the space, and suppose it is above the given line. So it is written, to draw a perpendicular to a given line to a point which is in the space which is above the given line. So in such circumstances, in such condition, how to get the perpendicular line? Means what? Suppose this is line AB. This is given line AB, and somewhere in the space above the given line, any point P is lying. Now what is asked? Through P, you have to construct one perpendicular line to this P. That is geometry. Okay. Now compass is your best friend now. Without compass, you can't do anything. Okay. what I have to do? Just pick the radius in compass. It should be somewhat longer than this distance. Distance between this point P and this line. It should be somewhat longer. This much I will take. Okay. Now P, needle of the compass you have to put over here. P as the center, you have to construct a long arc so that this arc should intersect this AB line twice. First of all, it is intersected as M here, and second point is as N. So what do you have to do? This point P is here, we have got M and okay. Now again, what do you have to do? Just take care of this distance M. Now you have to pick in compass more than half of this segment M. Suppose this much will be approximately its half. So now you have to pick in compass more than half of the distance in compass in this way. Now first arc from M, put the needle on M, get one arc in this side below this line. In the same radius, by changing the position of the needle to N, from N you get intersecting over this intersecting point. When you will connect with P, you will be having the desired solution of constructing a perpendicular line through a point which is in the space and above the given line. This line is nothing but the perpendicular line. It is given line A. So line PQ is perpendicular to line AB. Okay, this is the third construction. Next we see what will be the fourth construction will be to draw perpendicular bisector bisector of a given line. To draw a perpendicular bisector of a given line, or to draw a perpendicular bisector to a given line, whatever it may be. Now, suppose this is line PQ, and we have to construct a perpendicular bisector with this given line P. Now, same simple procedure. Just get concentrated over this PQ segment. PQ segment. Now, just like earlier constructions, you have to pick more than half of the segment PQ, half of the distance of this segment PQ in compass. It should be more than half. Suppose this much is the half. I will pick approximately this much. And just what you have to do, you have to get intersecting arcs in this way. First arc above this line, second arc below this line, with the same radius, without changing its distance. Radius should not be changed, it should be retained the same. Get intersecting arcs through Q to the earlier drawn two arcs, one above, one below the given line. So these intersecting arcs above as well as below this line, when you will connect in this way, it is nothing but a perpendicular bisector of a given line PQ. This is perpendicular bisector. Act of bisection is nothing but converting this segment into two identical parts. So when you will measure PO, it should be equal to Q. Okay, so this is nothing but the construction of perpendicular bisector to a given line PQ. So four constructions with regard to perpendicular line we will see. So next construction will be fifth construction will be to draw a line parallel to a given line. To draw a line parallel to a given line at any distance will be mentioned. Suppose line AB will be given line, so at a distance of 25 mm, it will be asked, it may be asked to construct another one line parallel, it may be named as CD. So line CD you have to construct at a distance of 25 mm from the given line AB. So this will be the question. So in that case, this line AB I have drawn here. So at a distance of 25 mm you have to construct CD, another one line. So what is the procedure? There are two different methods. First, any method I will tell you. You have to pick the distance of same. By what distance it should be departed? That is 25 mm. In compass, pick the distance of exact 25 mm in compass in this way. And right from A, you have go on constructing such arcs in this way above this line AB in this way. At any distance randomly in this way, go on constructing in this way 25 mm departed lines. Over. So what is the next procedure? Next step, all these crests of these curvatures, just you have to join in this way. Means what? Nothing but we are constructing tangential or tangent line touching all the crests of the curvatures, tangent to all the curvatures. So this is a straight line which is nothing but CD line, which is drawn at a distance of 25 mm. This line I have constructed by using with the help of scale. Okay, so naturally this CD will be at a distance of 25 mm from the given line AB, that it is parallel to this given line AB. Okay, so another one method is, it is the skillful method. It requires somewhat. Frequently I am expecting that skill, that procedure. Okay, not this one. So what do you have to do? First of all, is the given line. Suppose AB is the given line. You have to pick 25 mm distance in compass. 25 mm distance in compass in this way. The compass legs will be like this. Now hold the scale firmly first of all on AB. One scale or set scale you should hold over this AB, and that steel tip of that compass, okay, carrying 25 mm distance. Now that steel tip you have to just slide over that edge of set square or the scale, so that we will be having in this way 25 mm departed, automatically line we will be getting. The plane of that compass should be somewhat tilted in this way. It should not be normal to the blackboard, green board. It should be making certain inclination in this way. Then only you will be able to get that parallel. So this line is as good as construction line. This line is nothing but the CD line, which will be carrying 25 distance. That way it will be parallel to this line AB. Okay, so in this way, 5 constructions we have learned, right?